Welcome to Branvas Academy. Branvas is the all-in-one dropshipping platform designed to help you launch, manage, and scale your private jewelry brand. From curated products to automated fulfillment and branded packaging, Branvas makes it simple to deliver a premium shopping experience to your customers. In this video, we'll walk through everything you need to get started, from signing up to creating a unique unboxing experience for your customers. Getting started is simple. You can create an account using your email, or if you'd like a faster option, sign up with your Google account. In just a click, you'll be inside the Branvas platform. And here's what we'll cover today. We'll go through the onboarding tasks together: uploading the logo, connecting the store, browsing the catalog, and publishing products. After that, I'll also show you how to fulfill customer orders. The whole process is simple, seamless, and designed to help you get started quickly. First, upload your logo. You can click Set Up Brand from the dashboard or go to My Brand, either by selecting a file from your computer or simply dragging and dropping it into the uploader. Once uploaded, you can instantly preview how your logo will look on the box. This small step makes a big impact. Your brand will appear on the packaging, giving customers a unique unboxing experience. Once your branding is in place, the next step is connecting your store. You can do this from the dashboard or from your profile. Just click Connect, then on the Shopify app page, click Install, and the connection is complete. If you're selling on TikTok Shop, you can add it through your Shopify account, and Branvas will sync everything automatically. Now that your store is connected, it's time to explore the Branvas catalog. Go to My Products from the dashboard, or use the navigation bar to open the catalog. You can browse freely. We also provide filters to narrow down by style, category, price, or other styling features. This makes it easy to quickly discover the products that best fit your niche. When you open a product page, you'll see detailed descriptions along with size and material information. These details help you evaluate the quality and ensure the product aligns with your store's standards. And if you'd like to experience a product firsthand, you can place a sample order. When you find a product you'd like to sell, click Add to My Products. You can also add it directly from the product list. This saves the item to your personal list, making it easy to manage everything inside the My Products tab. From My Products page, publishing to your store is effortless. Just switch on the toggle. But notice, publishing is only available to paid members. With any paid plan, you'll unlock publishing. Just switch on the toggle, and the product will appear in your Shopify store automatically. From there, you can edit the product details to optimize and make it sell. And once your products are live, your store is ready to take orders. Every customer purchase will flow directly into your customer order. You can pay for each order manually, and once payment is confirmed, Branvas will pack and ship the order directly to your customer. As soon as it's shipped, a tracking number appears here and is automatically updated in your Shopify store. And to make it completely hands-free, you can turn on auto-fulfillment. With this enabled, Branvas will automatically charge your payment method and process every order the moment it comes in. Customers receive their orders quickly, about 5 to 8 business days in the US, and generally 3 to 14 days worldwide. And when the package arrives, the experience truly stands out. Every order is delivered in your branded packaging, giving customers a memorable unboxing moment. From the moment they open the box, your logo and design are front and center, turning a simple delivery into a lasting brand impression. Now that you've seen how Branvas works, from brand setup to fulfillment and unboxing, here's how you can unlock it all with a subscription plan. The growth plan is perfect for starting your branded product line, with branded products, storage, and full support. The scale plan is our most popular. With unlimited branded products, advanced analytics, and a 3% discount on everything you sell, it's built to help you scale with ease. And the VIP plan is like having a personal consultant by your side. It includes all the benefits of scale, plus a 5% discount, and hands-on support to build your store and accelerate growth. And right now, you can try any plan for just $1 for the first month. With Branvas, launching your brand is simple, seamless, and built to grow. Start earning today with Branvas.